Hello guys, welcome to your channel Cybersec Live. So today we are going to cover a Lab-1 practical of ethical hacking course. So it will be regarding information gathering using command. So let's see and what are the objectives of this lab and what are the lab environment we will see. So in the lab environment we need only Windows machine. We can do also in the Kali Linux, but as an initial stage, I am showing it on Windows. Then we will move on to Kali Linux. So we need a Windows machine. Then we should have an administrator privileges to run this tool. And let's see the lab objectives. Yes. So this lab demonstrate you how to use ping, NS lookup, and traceroute utilities to gather the information about a target. We will select a target, single target. On that, we will use the ping commands, NS lookup, traceroute, right? So what we will teach in this, so use ping commands as I said to in order to find out the IP address of the target domain. And the second one is we will use the ping again to emulate the traceroute command. We need to find the maximum size frame size for the network, and at last we will identify the ICMP type. So let's start guys, and just follow me step by step. Open your PC. So open here CMD. I'm just writing CMD, and you need to open it as a run as administrator. So I'm just clicking out in on it, and it will pop up something Windows command processor. So you need to click on yes. So it will open. So now I'm going to firstly write the ping command for, let's say, just write ping certified hacker.com. Just write this one and type enter. So what will the ping command will do? It will show you the IP of certifiedhacker.com. So our target is certifiedhacker.com. So we don't know the IP of that certifiedhacker.com, but with the help of ping command we get to know that yeah, there is some IP addresses. So this is the IP address, this is the TTL value, how much time it was taken, what was the bytes transferred, and how many packets sent and received, and what was the loss percentage. So these are the beneficial things we will get to know. The more main important thing is that we get to know the IP of this target, right? So let's say now what we will do, we will check the frames. So in the command prompt, just type ping certified hacker.com -f for fragmented and -l, and let me give the range of it is 1500, right? So what you are receiving here, the packets, so the response is packets need to be fragmented but df set. So what does it means? It means that the frame is too large to be on the network and we need to be fragmented. So since we use the -f switch with the ping command, the packet was not sent and the ping command returned this error. That's what we have done. So now just type, we have 1500, let me give it to 1300, right? So let's see what happened. So now see here, we are getting the reply, right? How much we have sent the packet 4 and we received the 4. So there is a 0% loss. So we have observed that the maximum packet size is less than 1500 bytes and more than 1300 bytes. Now we can try different values until you find the maximum frame size. For instance, let's say, uh, let me ping it again. So it should be between 1300 to 1500. We get to know that yeah, there must be some number between 1300 to 1500. So let me ping it www.certifiedhacker.com -f-l. Let me give it to 1473. Let's try for that. Okay, ping could not find host www.certifiedhacker.com. Okay, I think I have made a mistake something. Yes, www.certifiedhacker.com F L and the number is 1473 again. Okay, so now here for 1473 it is already showing fragmented but df set. So let's try for 1472. Okay, so here we are getting the reply, right? So 1472 is the byte is the maximum frame size on the machine's network. So this was the one of the important information we got, right? Now what find out we have to find out the TTLs, right? Time to live, where when it will expire. So every frame on the network has TTL defined. If TTL reaches 0, the router discard the packets. This mechanism prevents the loss of packets. So in the command prompt, we need to type, let's say, I'm just clearing it, everything. Okay, exit. Oh, sorry. Okay, again, I mistakenly I just, okay. So run as administrator again, right? Okay, let me increase the size. I hope it will see you. Okay. So now I'm just pinging here, ping certified, or we can write www.certifiedhacker.com hyphen I and 3. Now, what is the option that hyphen I denotes? So it denotes for the time to live value as 3. So now I just entered and we can see the TTL expired is transmit, right? So we will use a command to emulate a trace route. So let's I'm giving a command, just write down tracert and www.certifiedhacker.com, right? Okay, so now it will show you, it will give you the all the hopes of them. What are the hopes between the two devices? It will show you. So let's wait a couple of minutes, it will take some time. Okay, so let's meanwhile it is happening, I'm just opening the another one, right? So I'm just opening the another command prompt just to show you. Okay, run as administrator. Yes. Okay, so let me, there is two command line is going on, one is already running preset, right? And here I'm giving you something different. So just open the new command prompt, just ping www.certifiedhacker.com and hyphen I 2 hyphen n and 1, right? So the only difference from the previous keeping command is that we are setting the TTL or to 2 in an attempt to check the lifespan of the packet. So we can see we have lost the command, right? So in the command prompt, let's say we can also type ping www.certified. So because it is not responding, we have lost that. So we will try for value 3, right? Certifiedhacker.com hyphen I 3 hyphen n 1. Okay, so this set the TTL value as 3. Now again we have the loss percentage is 0 and we have received 1, right? So we have observed that there is a reply coming from the IP address, that IP address, and there is no packet loss. So we can also set it as a 4. Let's set it as a 4. Okay, So again it is coming, right? So we can repeat the above steps until you reach the IP address for that www.certifiedhackers.com. Okay, so now let's go to that one, that previous one. So here we have now near about 17 hopes. It's still pinging. Still it's still going on. Okay, so trace is complete and we have now 25, right? So it's 25 totally. And let's launch a new command prompt and type ns lookup, correct? So we have already it is, and ns lookup, and just press enter. So default server or non address it is showing, correct? So it will show you address, and mine server is not known, but if you are connected with some devices, it will show you. So not so worry about that, correct? So now let's check for other things. So this is the whole scenario, that how you can do these things and how you can ns lookup on any of the server, right? So you can do anything. You can check ns lookup server, google.com. So, server name, address, dns request, it is timeout for 2 seconds, right? So in this way you can just use ping commands, ns lookup and traceroute for information gathering. So I hope you will understand this lab, and we have the next lab, and that we will show you in the next part, that is regarding to viewing the source code of the any website. I hope guys you will like the video and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care.